Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know about how to use pocket in CATIA V5. The pocket is basically a cut applied on a solid body. For that, we have a here solid body. Now we apply pockets on it. First is pocket. Here is the icon of pocket. Select it. For that, first of all, we have to create a sketch. I select this face. Select sketch. Now I create a rectangle here. Come back from the sketch. For that, exit workbench. Now select pocket. You have to select a type. Dimension. First is dimension. We will apply dimension here. Suppose I need pocket of 15 mm. I type here 15 mm depth. Here are other options up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. If here any plane or surface available or any other body present here, then we select here up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. But here we have to create a dimension. I selected 15 mm. See preview. It will cut up to 15 mm. If we need a thickness here in pocket, select thickness. We have to create thickness here. Select 1 mm inside, and the outside I select here 2 mm. See preview. It will cut like this. 4 mm this side and 2 mm this side. Uncheck thickness. If we need pocket on mirror, same pocket on other side, select mirror extent. It will create 15 mm pocket this side and 15 mm pocket this side. Uncheck it. You can also apply reverse direction limit. For that, select reverse side. It will cut reverse side. If we select reverse side, it will keep this pocket and cut the other remaining portion of this solid part this side, but it will keep only this part. See preview. See here. Uncheck it. Reverse side. Reverse direction. It will create pocket on reverse side. See preview here. No preview available. Next is second limit. If we select it, see preview. If we apply dimension in second limit, it will create pocket on reverse side with some dimension. Here is 15 mm this side and 4 mm this side. It will cut this side 4 mm. If there any other material is available, see preview. Select 0 because in this side we will not need any pocket or cut. Select OK. See here, this is pocket. You can create any pair pocket. For example, I create pocket on this face. Select it. Select sketch. I select circle. I draw circle here. Exit workbench. Select pocket. Apply dimension of pocket. I select here 20 mm. See preview. Select OK. This is pocket on this side. The next option of the next type of pocket is drafted pocket. For that, I select this face. Sketch. I draw a rectangle here. Exit workbench. Come back from the sketch. Select here. Scroll down. And in the option second option, drafted filtered pocket. Select it. Selected sketch is already selected. We have to select second limit. For that, I select this face. Now here depth I type here 5 mm. See preview. You can select here angle. I type here 2-degree angle. Uncheck these lateral first and second limit radius. See preview. We increase depth. See preview. This is drafted pocket. Select OK. Again, we create some other drafted pocket. I select this face, sketch, rectangle, exit workbench, select drafted, filtered pocket. Select limit. I select this face. Now I type here 20 mm. See preview. Lateral radius, first limit radius, and second limit radius. See preview. Lateral radius is selected. See preview. This is radius applied on these corners of pocket. Uncheck it. First limit radius. Preview. First limit radius is the radius a fillet applied on these edges at bottom of the drafted filled pocket. Uncheck it. The second limit radius. See preview. Fillet applied on this space from which surface we applied drafted filled pocket. Uncheck it. No need for these. Decrease the angle. I increase it 5 degree. See preview. Increase the angle. I type here 15 degrees. See preview. Reverse traction. You can apply pocket in this side. Uncheck reverse traction. See preview. Second limit. Decrease reverse traction. First limit. This side. Outside. Drafted. Second limit. Inside drafted. Select OK. Last is multi pocket. For that, I select this face. Sketch. Normal. Now I select a rectangle here. And I create a circle here. One more circle here. Exit workbench. In this sketches, I am not applying any dimensions or constraints. I am explaining just how to use pocket in CATIA. I select a pocket and here is the option multi-pocket. Select it. First is exclusion dimension. I select this. It will select a rectangle. Apply dimension for pocket. I type here 20 mm. See preview. It will cut this rectangle 20 mm. Next is I select second extrusion. I type here dimension 50. See preview. We cut this circle. Next third, I selected 2 mm. See preview. Select OK. In more options, you have to create a second limit which we applied. Cut it. Reverse traction. This side. From here, you can also select the reverse traction. But here you can apply some other limit. For example, 2-3 mm. It will select yellow from this side. This is different for every extrusion level. Select OK. See here. In multi-pocket, we create 3 cuts in one sketch. This is 2 mm, this is 50 mm, this is 20 mm. This was the basic tutorial for how to use pocket. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and spell cat.